Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw on Betmgm. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Betmgm, then press enter. Then you will get these kind of results. From this, click on the first link, which is Betmgm, then it will take you to this page. On this page, you will have to select a location. So select your location. Then it will take you to its home page. Now on this page, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can register for one by clicking on this button at the top right corner. And if you already do have an account, click on this login button. Then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. So go ahead and enter those details. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Now, once you have entered your details, click on this login button. Now, once you have logged in, what you will have to do is click on your profile at the top right corner. Then this kind of menu will show up. Now from this menu, you will have to click on this button where it says withdraw. Click on it, then it will take you to this page. On this page, you'll have to select your payment method and then enter the amount that you want to withdraw. And also select your account number. And once you have done so, they will ask for some kind of identification like your account's password. And after you provide them with necessary details, the amount will be withdrawn. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.